Oh, hello, and today you join me in my bathroom, and we're going to be able to look at a problem I've got with a shower head. We have a secondary shower head, so we have a shower head up there which we stand under, but sometimes we have visitors that use the bath and they can't use the shower, so we have a secondary head, also handy for cleaning the bath out and things like that. But what I have noticed is that when I turned it on, well, that comes out plenty of pressure. It's actually dripping back here. It's on nice and tight. Let me just turn it off. It is on nice and tightly, but it's dripping. So I believe it needs a new washer. I popped along to B&Q and I bought a packet with 5 shower head washers, and I completely forget how much it cost, but it was a couple of quid. So what we're going to do is use one of those to, oh, there we go, so there. We're going to use one of those to replace the shower head washer in there. What we do, we want to replace the washer in this part. So is take a firm grip on the pipe and the top bit there and the shower head and give it a twist, and you'll see it just unscrews. The shower head will unscrew. I'm doing it over the bath because there is a little bit of water in there. The washer itself is in there, and you might need something to help you get it out. So we're just going to use a small screwdriver and just pop that old washer out. There it is. And you can see that it's crushed. Basically it's crushed into shape there, so put that down there. Get the new washer, push it in, and make sure it goes all the way to the bottom of the thread. And then take our shower head. Then what you'll notice is on the end of the pipe, this piece actually turns without turning the pipe. So you don't have to turn the shower head, you just turn that. So once you get the thread started, just turn that on. Get it up hand tight. You might want to use a cloth or something if it's wet. And we'll give that a try. Turn it on. Full pressure and no leak. So there we have it, a quick little job, changing a washer in a shower head. I don't know how much a plumber would have charged for that, but it took seconds. So go to B&Q, shower head washer, get those, keep them handy. If your shower head starts dripping, just replace the washer. Job's done. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.